I'm gonna touch your horns.
No, don't touch my horns, please!
No, they suck onto your hands.
What?
What?
Yeah,
What?
they're suction cups. This horns.
They're not suction cups.
This is known fact.
I don't know if you can see the stream, but I'm gonna touch. What am I moving?
No, please. Don't do it.
Touch.
Scarle, don't do it. I am a virgin.
You.
No.
I'm
No,
gonna touch
no,
them.
please!
I'm gonna touch them.
No, please! No!
Don't do it. I'm a virgin.
I touched them. Ren.
No!
Oh no. I touch your horns.
Oh, it's not that bad, actually.
I'm gonna eat his horn.
No, no. Wait, I can't move! Oh, stop! This is so fucked up!
Look at those thighs.
Thank you.
いただきます。
Haskaru!
Pascaru.
Aya has stopped working.
I stopped working.
I feel like Ren's horns taste like salted licorice.
Oh, I hope they taste better than that.
I would
I mean,
assume.
Scarlett just tasted, so, like, she knows.
They tasted like jerky.
Like jerky?
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be clipped, isn't it?
Don't
Wait.
worry.
Aya, can
It's
I
not
get you to
that-
say
yeah.
something? Can you
For
say...
$5 maybe.
No. Free of charge, please, I'm broke.
Okay, fine. For you, Ren. Sure.
Okay, can you say, I slammed my penith in the car door?
What? What?
Please, say it! Yes.
I slammed my penis in the car door. I slammed my penis in the car door.
You slammed your penis in the car door.
Ren, what is the matter with
Let's
you?
go! Chat, I did it! I made her say the thing!
Ren,
Okay,
what
let me
is...
send you my PayPal information so give me $5.
Okay, money well spent.
Ah!